Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 4.
Today, we are going to a cafe.
We will learn how to order food and drinks in English.
This is very important because everyone gets hungry.
Especially Ben.
Hey, I'm not hungry all the time.
Yes, you are.
Okay, maybe.
Quick question. When you go to a cafe, what do you order? Coffee? Tea? Something sweet?
Great. Let's go to the cafe.
By the end of today, you will be able to order in a cafe. You will use phrases like I'd like and can I have. You will learn cafe vocabulary like menu, sandwich, salad, sweet, and spicy.
And you will practice speaking like a real customer.
Emma and Ben walk into a cafe. They sit down.
Wow, this cafe is nice.
Yes, and I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's look at the menu.
They open the menu. Okay, there's coffee, tea, sandwiches, and salad.
Good. I want something sweet.
Sweet? Like cake?
Yes, but I don't see cake.
Maybe they don't have cake.
Then I will order a sweet salad.
A sweet salad?
Yes,
Then salad is not sweet.
maybe it can be sweet.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I don't want a sweet salad. Can I have a sandwich too?
Good choice. Wait, is the sandwich spicy?
Let's check the menu. This one says spicy chicken sandwich.
Oh no, I don't like spicy food.
Then don't order that one.
Okay, I want a normal sandwich.
Excuse me.
Can we change the order?
Can I have the cheese sandwich, not the spicy chicken sandwich?
And I'd like the chicken sandwich, but not spicy.
Then that's difficult.
I know.
Okay, let's keep it simple. 2 cheese sandwiches.
Yes, perfect.
They wait. They get their drinks. Here's my coffee.
Here's my tea.
This coffee is good.
My tea is good too.
They get the sandwiches. Oh, wow, I'm very hungry.
Me too.
They eat. This sandwich is delicious.
Yes, and it's not spicy. Great.
They finish. Okay, I'm full now.
Me too. Can we ask for the bill?
Yes. Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Or the bill, please?
Thank you. They get the check.
How much is it?
It's $20.
Okay, let's pay.
Done.
Well, that was nice.
Yes.
See you later, Café.
Okay, Ben, let's go.
See you.
Take care. Now let's learn the key vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Word 1. Menu.
Meaning, the list of food and drinks.
Example, can I see the menu?
Your turn. Say, can I see the menu?
Word 2. Order.
Meaning, ask for food or drinks.
Example, I want to order a coffee.
Your turn. Say, I want to order and add something.
Phrase 3. I'd like.
Meaning, a polite way to say what you want.
Example, I'd like a coffee, please.
Your turn. Say, I'd like and add something.
Phrase 4. Can I have?
Meaning a polite request.
Example, can I have a sandwich, please?
Your turn. Say, can I have?
Word 5. Coffee.
Meaning a drink with caffeine.
Example, I'd like a coffee.
Your turn. Say, I'd like a coffee.
Word 6. Tea.
Meaning a hot drink.
Example, I'd like a tea.
Your turn. Say, I'd like a tea.
Word 7. Sandwich.
Meaning bread with food inside.
Example, can I have a sandwich?
Your turn. Say, can I have a sandwich?
Word 8. Salad.
Meaning vegetables, often cold.
Example, I'd like a salad.
Your turn. Say, I'd like a salad.
Word 9. Sweet.
Meaning like sugar.
Example, I want something sweet.
Your turn. Say, I want something sweet.
Word 10. Spicy.
Meaning hot flavor, like chili.
Example, this sandwich is spicy.
Your turn. Say, I don't like spicy food.
Phrase 11. Bill/check.
Meaning the paper that shows the price.
Example, can we have the check, please?
Your turn. Can we have the bill, please?
Now let's practice the grammar.
Today we use polite café phrases.
Grammar 1. I'd like. Example, I'd like a coffee, please.
Example, I'd like a sandwich, please. Grammar 2. Can I have? Example, can I have a tea, please?
Example, can I have the check, please?
5 examples.
1. I'd like a coffee, please.
2. I'd like a tea, please.
3. Can I have a sandwich, please?
4. Can I have a salad, please?
5. Can we have the bill, please?
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1. I like a coffee.
Mistake 2. Give me the bill.
Correction. Can we have the bill, please?
Now repeat the key sentences.
We will say them 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Sentence 1. Can I see the menu? Slow. Can I see the menu?
Medium. Can I see the menu?
Natural. Can I see the menu?
Sentence 2. I'd like a coffee, please. Slow. I'd like a coffee, please.
Medium. I'd like a coffee, please. Natural. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sentence 3. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Slow. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Medium. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Natural. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Sentence 4. I want something sweet.
Slow. I want something sweet.
Medium. I want something sweet.
Natural. I want something sweet.
Sentence 5. Is it spicy?
Slow. Is it spicy?
Medium. Is it spicy?
Natural. Is it spicy?
Sentence 6. I don't like spicy food.
Slow. I don't like spicy food.
Medium. I don't like spicy food.
Natural. I don't like spicy food.
Sentence 7. Can we have the check, please?
Slow. Can we have the check, please?
Medium. Can we have the check, please?
Natural. Can we have the check, please?
Sentence 8. How much is it?
Slow. How much is it?
Medium. How much is it?
Natural. How much is it?
Now you speak. Answer after the pause.
You walk into a cafe. What do you say?
Hello, can I see the menu? You want coffee. What do you say?
I'd like a coffee, please. You want tea. What do you say?
Can I have a tea, please? You want a sandwich. What do you say?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
You don't like spicy food. What do you say?
I don't like spicy food.
You want the bill. What do you say?
Can we have the check, please?
You want to know the price. What do you say?
How much is it?
Quick quiz. Answer in your head.
Question 1. What is a menu?
Question 2. What does I'd like mean?
Question 3. What is spicy?
Question 4. What do we ask for at the end?
Question 5. How do you ask the price?
Answers.
1. A menu is a list of food and drinks.
2. I'd like is a polite way to say what you want.
3. Spicy means hot flavor.
4. The bill or check.
5. How much is it?
Your mission today. Practice ordering 3 things.
Record yourself and say, "Hello, I'd like a coffee. Can I have a sandwich? Can we have the check, please?" Say it 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Great job today. You finished episode 4.
You can now order in a cafe in English.
Episode 5 will be shopping for clothes, and Ben will try on something very funny.
See you.
Take care.